This video will show you how to perform steering angle sensor calibration using the Smart Diagnostic system. The procedure in your vehicle will be the same as in this video. Plug your SDS into DLC, then confirm your vehicle and VIN. First, select Workshop Tools. Then Steering Angle Sensor Calibration. EMPS Electric Motor Power Steering. Torque Sensor Adjustment. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the procedure. Adjustment completed. That's how to perform steering angle sensor calibration. For more information, please visit us at Innova.com.
Find the problem, fix the problem.